Hello and welcome to Choice News Africa channel. My name is Crispin Tavura. Today I've got Mama Mangube, leader for the Late Veterans Association. It's called the Widows and Widow Association. Today we're going to talk about the donation that they did as an organization to the Nest of Care Foundation, where the inmates for drug and substance abuse are taken care of. Mama, maybe you can brief us on what get into your hearts to that donation.
Okay, mina ngingumama oNcube, ucheleti we-Widows and Widowers of Fallen Heroes Bulawayo Province. So ngokuzwa kwethu ukuthi abantwana abathatha izidakamizwa kuyasihlukumeza silaba abantwana ezindlini abathatha izidakamizwa, then kwasifuqa ukuthi sihambe siye babona, but as a mother you can't go empty handed. So sasifisa ukuthi sihambe siye babona, sikhulumisane labo, sixoxisane labo, and sesivumelana njengabomama ukuthi sikhiphe that little we have ezindlini, omunye lomunye dobhe ichukela, odobhe usepha wathi okungancedisa sakwanisa ukubuthelela igrocery sibililiyaneni kakhulu. Then sahamba khona ngale siyakhulumisana labo, sifuqwa la ilokhu futhi okwenziwa ngumama uFirst Lady okwama rehab centers lawo ukuthi ancedisane labo. Lathi kwasifuqa ukuthi lathi sibe le hand.
Likubona njani njengomama into ze-drug and substance, libona ngani kuzaphela injani?
Ukuphela I think kudinga khona lokhu ukuthi kube le awareness, abantwana bethu bafundiswe, batholiswe izinto zokwenza, kungaba imidlalo, kungaba ukufundiswa imisebenzi yezandla, bebe lezinto nje zokwenza ukuthi behlukane la lokuthatha izidakamizwa.
Here we have viewers, widows and widowers taking a part in helping out on the reduction in the eradication of drug and substance abuse. Thank you very much.